Hello, I'm Craig from Rize Bikes. Today, I'm going to show you the two ways in which we may ask you to check the voltage of your battery with a voltmeter. The first way we are going to check a battery, of course, with your voltmeter is from the base of the battery itself. Now, any voltmeter or multimeter will work. When you're doing it, you want to make sure that you're putting it to the 200 volt setting. Now, to use the voltmeter, of course, and test the battery, you'll always want to make sure that the black side, which is your negative, is going to your negative, and red, which is positive, is going to your positive. And as we can see here, our battery is showing 53.8 volts. Now, this is off a nearly full charge, so make sure that your battery is fully charged when running this test to make sure you're getting a high number like this. The next way we may ask you to check your voltage is, of course, with the battery plugged in to test the actual power cord itself. Now, you will notice you've got two power cords that are going up into the frame, one being for your primary battery, one being for your secondary battery. We need to make sure you're using the correct one for your primary battery. So the wire you're going to want to test, of course, is the one that goes into the frame and up towards the front here. You will also notice that the wires have two different shades of red, a dark red and a more brighter red. The brighter red generally will be the one you're looking for, but just double check by checking to see where in the frame it's going. So now, when you're ready to check this wire, you want to make sure the battery is out first because you are working with live power. So simply unplug the balancer from the wire, install your battery, and again, with your voltmeter set to 200, just like before, red wire will go into the red, black wire into the black, and as we can see, the volts coming out are pretty much the same number as when we tested from the battery directly. This test is important because not only does it still test the battery, but it also tells us the wire coming from the battery to the system is undamaged. Now, if we've asked you, of course, to check your battery's voltage either direct from the base of the battery or from the main wire connecting to the battery, make sure you get a short video or a photo showing everything plugged in and the voltmeter's reading so we can add that to your file claim, and it will also help us to evaluate the problems with your bike. My name is Craig. Thank you.